In this question, it is given that two players P1 and P2 play a game against each other. In every round of the game, each player rolls a fair die once, where the six faces of the die have six distinct numbers. If X and Y denote reading on the die rolled by P1 and P2 respectively. If X is greater than Y, then P1 scores 5 points and P2 scores 0 point. If X is equal to Y, then each player scores 2 points. If X is less than Y, then P1 scores 0 point and P2 scores 5 points. If Xi and Yi be the total scores of P1 and P2 respectively after playing the ith round, then you have to find the correct choice. Hence, I can say, if I name the word x1 y1, it will means the total score of, then x1 will denote the score of P1 after first round. Y1 will denote the score of P2 after first round. X2 Y2, X2 is the total score of P1 after second round. Y2 denotes the total score of P2 of. Similarly, X3 and Y3 have meaning. Agreed, it is not written in the question, but still for more clarity, it is clear that P x1 greater than y1 is sure to be equal to P x1 less than y1. Because everything is same for both the players, then obviously the value of these two will be surely equal. Similarly, P x2 greater than y2 is sure to be equal to probability of y2 greater than x2, because everything is same for both the players. The marks obtained, or in the case of draw, no any player is given any preference anywhere. Therefore, these two must be obviously equal. And similarly, P x3 greater than y3 will be equal to P x3 less than y3. If you take care of these things, then your calculation will be slightly less. But if you don't take care of these, even then you will be able to do the question, but calculation will be slightly more. For clarity purpose, I am making a table which will be denoting all possible outcomes when P1 and P2 both roll a die. 1-1 means when both the players have rolled the die, first player has got 1, second player also has got 1. Similarly, 1-2 up to 1-6. 2-1, 2-2 up to 2-6. And the lastly, 6-1, 6-2 up to 6-6. Clearly, these are the cases in which both the players have got same number on the die. In these results, the player P1 will win. In these outcomes, player P2 will win after every case of rolling the two dice. To calculate this or this, first I calculate the value of Px2 equal to y2. Why I am calculating that first, you will see when I will solve the question. P x2 equal to y2. That is, you have to find the probability that after second round the total score of both the players is same. Now I am going to use a symbol. First, let me tell you the meaning of that symbol. I am going to use the symbol E W L. E W L will mean in first round P1 has won and in second round P1 has lost. E D D will mean in both the rounds game was draw. E L W will mean in first round P1 lost and in second round he won. Clearly, for this situation, in first round P1 will get 5 points and in second round he would have got 0 point. Therefore, total points obtained after the end of second round would be 5. And in this situation, the P2 player would have got 0 plus 5, that is 5 points, because in first round he would have got 0 point and in second round player P2 would have got 5 points. That is, scores of both of them after the end of second round are same. This means in first round P1 has got 2 points and in second round P1 has got 2 points. Therefore, at the end of second round P1 has got 2 plus 2 4 points. Similarly, P2 also 2 plus 2 4 points are there. And ELW will denote the event that in first round P1 has lost and in second round he has won. That is, total score at the end of second round of P1 will be 0 plus 5 equal to 5, and similarly in the case of P2, total score at the end of second round will be 5 plus 0, because the meaning of ELW was in first round P1 has lost means P2 has won, and in second round P1 has won means second round P2 has lost. That is 5. That is, you can see very easily in for these three cases at the end of second round both will have equal score. And now let us find the probability of each of them. EWL means in first round P1 has won. Probability of EWL will mean in first round P1 has won, or we can also say P2 has lost, and in second round P1 has lost, or we can also say P2 has won. Therefore, for the first case, probability becomes 15 by 36, because these are the 15 cases in which score of P1 is more than score of P2. In second round he has lost, and probability of losing will also be these 15 cases by total number of cases 36. That is 15 by 36, that is 5 by 12 into 5 by 12, that is 25 by. Similarly, probability of ELW is also 15 by 36 into 15 by 36, because of the same reason. This 15 by 36 has come because of these 15 cases by 36, as I wrote here, and this 15 by 36 has come because of these 15 cases by total number of cases 36. that is again 25 by 144, and probability of E DD, that is in first case also game was draw and in second case also game was draw. Game will be draw if both have got equal number on both the die. Equal number on both the die can happen in these 6 cases. Hence probability of x2 equal to y2 means probability of E, WL, DD and LW. WL union DD union E LW, that is equal to P E WL plus P E DD plus P E LW. And as I proved above, probability of EWL was 25 by 144. Hence I get 25 by 144. Probability of EDD, as I calculated 1 by 36. I write here 1 by 36. And probability of ELW, I again told that it is 25 by 144. That is, I get 50 plus 4 by 144, that is 54 by 144, that is 3 by 8. As I told in the very beginning that probability of x2 greater than y2 will be surely equal to probability of x2 less than y2, and it is also obvious that probability of x2 greater than y2 plus probability of x2 equal to y2 plus probability of x2 less than y2 is 1, because I have taken all possible results at the end of second round, and because these two are equal, hence if I name it as alpha, then I get alpha plus 3 by 8 plus alpha is equal to 1, that is alpha is 5 by 16. Actually it was not required to find the correct match of second, because in second everything is matching with R, and we have got the answer R, and because in all the cases R is there, it was not required to find to which one second will match. But the benefit of getting this thing is this will be used in the calculation of this, and the second benefit of doing is after getting 5 by 16 we have got the confidence that we are proceeding in the correct direction, and probability of x2 greater than equal to y2 means probability of x2 equal to y2 or probability of x2 greater than y2. This is equal to, as I calculated here, that was probability of x2 equal to y2 3 by 8. I will be writing here 3 by 8 plus probability of x2 greater than y2 as we have just now calculated, that was 5 by 16, writing 5 by 16, that is 11 by 16. that is first matches with Q. Hence it is sure that this is wrong, this is wrong. And now let us find the value of probability of x3 equal to y3. x3 equal to y3 means both have got same score at the end of third round. Same score can happen in these possible events: E WLD or E WDL union E LDW union E LWD. Actually, I'm arranging these three letters in all possible ways. This means in first round P1 will win, in second round he will lose, and in third round game will be draw. Similarly, this means in first round P1 will win, in second round game will be draw, and in third round P1 will lose. In this way, in every case, at the end of third round, P1 will have 5 plus 0 plus 2. In this case, 5 plus 2 plus 0. In this case, 0 plus 2 plus 5, and so on. That is, P1 will have score 7 at the end of third round in every case. And for example, this case, P2 will have 0 plus 5 plus 2 score, because in this means P1 has won, loss and draw 502. P1 has won means P2 has loss, win and draw. This denotes the case when P1 has got 7 score because of this case. Because of this case, P2 again will have got 7 score at the end of third round. In this way, these are the situations in which P1 will have 7 score at the end of third round, and these are the cases when P2 will have score 7 at the end of third round. And equal score can happen in this way also, that in first round also game is draw, in second round also game is draw, in third round also game is draw. That is the case of EDDD. Hence, probability of x3 equal to y3 means probability of these 6 cases union this case, that is E WLD WDL WLD union E WDL union, and so on, 6 cases union E DDD. This is equal to P E WLD plus P E WDL, 6 cases plus P E DDD. This is equal to EWLD, means P1 will win, lose and draw in third round. That is 50/36 into 50/36 into 6/36. And because all these 6 cases have same probability, therefore into 6 plus 6/36 into 6/36 into 6/36. that is 5 by 12 into 5 by 12 plus 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6, and now taking 1 by 12 square common, I get 25 plus 12 into 12 upon 6 into 6 into 6, that is equal to 1 by 144 into 25 plus 2 by 3, that is 77 by 432. Hence third matches with T. Agreed, it was not required to check the choice correct match for third because both have been matched to T. But the benefit will be, with the help of this we can easily calculate the value of this. And second benefit is, this correct answer means we are going in the right direction. And as I told you in the very beginning, probability of x3 greater than y3 plus probability of x3 equal to y3 plus probability of x3 less than y3 is equal to 1, and both are equal also, as I told you in the very beginning, and therefore I get the result that 2 times p x3 greater than y3 plus 77 by 432 is equal to 1. Hence probability of x3 greater than y3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 77 by 432, that is equal to 1 by 2 into, that is equal to 355 by 432, that is 355 by 864. Hence fourth matches with S. Hence I can say A is the correct option.